Pratic is a national-level high-tech enterprise specializing in intelligent CNC equipment and complete sets of automation equipment. The company owns 2 modern production bases in Foshan, Guangdong, and Changzhou, Jiangsu, with a total area of 130,000 square meters. The company has a strong R&D team which has established a Central Research Institute and an Intelligent Equipment Research Center with more than 100 scientific researchers. Pratic is planning to establish research centers in Germany, the United States, Japan, and other countries to attract top-level industry experts from all over the world, which can provide scientific and technological guarantees for the future development of Pratic. Pratic has the ability to manufacture core functional components. Pratic has achieved independent production of mechanical core functional components. Pratic has passed ISO 9001, CE, TÜV certificate, provincial-level patent demonstration enterprise, and top 500 manufacturing enterprises in Guangdong Province. According to the development needs of the equipment manufacturing industry in both domestic and foreign markets, combining the characteristics of traditional processing machines. Pratic has introduced and absorbed international domestic technologies and developed a high-precision heavy-duty industrial machines. 5-axis simultaneous bridge-type machining center, heavy-duty horizontal machining centers, and flexible production lines. High-speed horizontal machining centers. Profile machining centers. High-speed portal machining centers, etc. Pratic also built strategic cooperation with Zimmermann to jointly develop the PFC series 5-axis simultaneous bridge-type machining center. Pratic products are mainly used in large-scale machining industries such as aviation, new energy, automobile, and rail transit. The equipment is exported to more than 40 countries and regions such as Germany, Japan, and the United States, which has been widely and highly acclaimed by customers. Holding the vision of become a world-renowned intelligent equipment enterprise, implementing the mission of to create value for customers and achieve value for contributors. Pratic is dedicated to providing global customers with high-quality and high-performance intelligent CNC equipment.